As the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority declared that starting April 15, e-bikes and e-trikes will be restricted to major thoroughfares in Metro Manila, Colorum e-trikes in Pasay City will cease their operations. Some of them do not deny that they operate illegally, but due to demand of transportation, they are taking the opportunity to transport passengers.
Oo, illegal lo. Talagang lang, nakakaubiyahe lang para makakakuha ng pangkain.
Nahuli talaga kami pag nahuli kami ito, i-pounding. Pag sakaling malayo pa lang yung mga huli, nakikita namin nandyan na, tumatakbo na kami, papasok sa loob. Alam niyo naman, napakataas din ng tubos nito, lalo na sa Pasay.
Some commuters are comfortable to take ride to them from Rojas Boulevard up to MRT station in EDSA on a daily basis. They appeal to policymakers to allow them to serve as public transport.
Bakit ipinagbabawal daw kami? Wala naman daw usok to. Dapat bigyan daw kami ng permanenteng biyahe na paparehistro naman.
Talagang titigil muna kami paghahanap buhay sa mga ganito. Bawal yung nasa highway, hindi na kami lalabas. Siguro, babalik na kami sa dati naming hanap buhay na padyak.
Meanwhile, Sustainable Transportation Advocate Group, Alt Mobility PH, sees that the emergence of e-trike as alternative mode of transportation to commuters is a manifestation that the government failed to develop a comprehensive public transportation system in the country.
Itong popularity ng e-trikes, ito ay sintomas lamang ng patuloy na kakulangan ng gobyerno sa pagbibigay ng isang pangunahing pangangailangan ng mga tao ng transportasyon.
The group projects long queues in terminals and in highways once policy to ban e-bike and e-trike on major roads takes effect in April 15.
Inaasahan namin na mas mahihirapan palalo yung mga ordinaryong Pilipino sa kanilang pagko-commute. So mahirap na pahihirapin palalo.
Meanwhile, last Wednesday, April 3, during the cabinet meeting of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., he instructed secretaries to submit their recommendation in order to address the congestion in Metro Manila. National Economic and Development Authority or NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisacan stated that the President is doing his effort to improve our mass transport system. Among the efforts are the construction of subways, expressways, and bridges. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.